This is my favorite ever drink.
You will feel it. You will feel it right away.
Hi friends! So today I am so happy to share an amazing recipe that I have from my grandma. So let's get started. What do we need? We need lemons, oranges, basil, and then this is a combination of ginger and turmeric. This recipe will boost your immunity and will totally change the way you feel and the way your body works. Immediately you will get so much energy. Also your mood will go up. And also when you will eat food, it will taste even different. All these ingredients will be blended to the smoothiest, the silkiest, the softest drink ever. So let's get started. Cover. Strain first off. Okay, now okay friends, I'm so excited to share with you my amazing recipe of liquid gold.
Friends, this is my favorite ever drink. Cheers! Cheers! Oh, it's so good.